I'm always satisfied if our member companies are satisfied, and we had a very positive feedback in Johannesburg, and also today the conference is running very well. There are a lot of questions, and I hope that also the visitors will stay with us for the B2B meetings, as this is crucial to bring the people together so that our companies can help them to fulfill their requirements in terms of new products and maybe also modernization of machines and so on.
Highlights was actually meeting the team from KZN clothing and textile cluster, and being invited to actually join and be part of the cluster as a Durban-based or Durban CBD-based fashion business. So I'm quite excited to go and to continue with the journey basically that has now started here, and I've also gotten a chance to network and to engage with different other individuals from different sections basically of the clothing and textile business, and it's been amazing.
We need young people being interested in the textile industry, in the textile market. And what Monforts is doing in Germany, we work very close together with universities. Some universities they also use machines from Monforts, and we do trainings and we invite them to our technology center where we have machines which are ready for production, and we can help them, train them, explain what is happening in the market. That's something where we have to connect the universities or the colleges from South Africa with the colleges and universities in Germany, and try to motivate the people really going to this business, because it's a very interesting business.
We've seen, as we planned this and as we've reached out to whether it's government, private-owned entities or whatever the case may be, that there isn't a conference like this taking place in South Africa. So we identified this as an area where perhaps we can bring together stakeholders, and I mean it's an inaugural event. So we've had promising results. We've had South African companies sharing how they use German products, for instance, but not buying them directly from Germany. And this isn't about the country, but this is about prices and how you can basically salvage off of relationships for better prices, which ultimately impacts the South African economy.
We had a first event yesterday, which was a roundtable, where we brought the South African stakeholders together, including the DUT. And I actually just want to add to what Steph said, what Germany can contribute also to the sector. And one of it is skills development, because Germany is known for not only having good technology, of course that is very famous, but they're also doing vocational training. So all of these companies usually bring in young people to teach them on the job. And that's something they also said they could help us with skills training, because we spoke to someone from the DUT, for instance, and they said that it's almost a dying sector within the DUT. So that is something I think we can also contribute to.